What is up, y'all? I look crazy, but yesterday I detangled my hair with some water and conditioner, and I just put them in these cute little plaits. They're really not cute, but I let them dry overnight just to prep my hair for washing. And now I am about to do a quick little second detangle, and then I'm gonna get in the shower and wash my hair so that I can go ahead and get on with the silk press. I'm just tired of taking care of my curly hair. I'm not gonna lie. It's becoming a hassle. It's a lot of work. I was wearing a wig. I absolutely loved wearing a wig. But I'm like, I got hair. My hair be itching and it be hard to fit it underneath them wigs. I'm not gonna lie to you. But I'm gonna do a quick detangle and then get in the shower and wash it. I'm about to wash this hair. Okay, so I just finished washing and conditioning my hair. I'm gonna do a little deep conditioner so my hair can be as moisturized as possible when I go ahead and straighten it. And I'm gonna leave that in for like 30 minutes to an hour because I don't want to be doing this all night. This is one of my favorite hair masks. And usually I would do small sections, but today I'm just gonna do it like, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it because I don't feel like doing all of that. Like, I want to make this quick as possible. It's already gonna take me about 2 hours. Since my hair is low porosity, I am working the product actually into my hair because I just washed it, so I'm like actually working it in instead of leaving the white on top. Leaving that product just sitting on top, you gotta really like work it in there. Y'all see that bounce though? Boop. There you go. So my hair is fully drenched in the hair mask. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. Here's how to tell if your hair is broken or if you just have regular shedding. This is the hair that's coming out for me. As you can see, these are long pieces and they're not like tiny little pieces. If it's a lot of tiny pieces of hair coming out, that's breakage, but big hair like that is usually shedding. It's normal shedding. So now what I'm gonna do is put my hair up in a bun and secure it with my bonnet on top or a plastic bag just to hold in the moisture. And I will come back when it's time to rinse it out. Here's my hair with the mask. I'm about to rinse this out and get on. So this is my hair all the way blown out. I did go ahead and coat it with the color wow before I did blow drying. It looks pretty good. This thing works phenomenally. I went ahead and used the cool setting at the end so that it can kind of cool down. I am gonna wait for like a few minutes and air out the bathroom before I use the flat iron, so that, you know, give some little time in between the heat. I do wish I could have got my roots just a little bit better, but the flat iron will be able to take care of that. Other than that, my hair looks pretty healthy, not gonna lie. It doesn't look bad right now. So yeah, I'm gonna go sit down for a few minutes, let my hair kind of cool off, and then I'm gonna go straight in with the flat iron. All right, y'all, as you can see, I have finished my hair. My flat iron works like a charm. This wavy talk, I only had it on 410 and it absolutely did what it's supposed to do. Hopefully the back looks good. I don't really need that much of a trim, to be honest. My ends don't look that bad to me, so I'm gonna let them be. I did bump the ends just a little bit on this because I wanted to give it a little bit of volume. If you know, you know. So yeah, I went ahead and did that. Bumped the ends a little bit. It's flowing like water. And yes, I'm officially like bra strap length. I tucked the ends up a little bit, but my hair is very long. It looks great right now. I'm actually so obsessed. But yeah, that was my updated silk press tutorial. The only product I used was this color wow. And let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys think. I know I didn't record the entire thing, but you guys know what a flat iron looks like going through my entire head. I don't need to record every single step. Hopefully you guys still get the gist. Use a good brush as a chaser. I took that from the Glam Twins and it works every single time using a brush instead of a comb. And a real good hot flat iron is gonna do the job every time. The most important part, sorry, my light just died, is having the best blow dry in between. You wanna make sure your hair is practically straight when you finish blow drying so that this part is the easiest part. And it comes out silky smooth. So, boop, that's my updated silk press. I'm glad to be back on my YouTube channel, y'all. Go ahead and subscribe. I got more videos coming for you soon. I'll see you guys in the next one.